Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys. Today I want to talk about a app that will let you mine for multiple uh, cryptocurrencies depending on what you like. There's some Litecoin, some other stuff. We'll kind of look at those. But before we do that, I want to thank everybody that has joined us, that has subscribed to the channel. If you want to continue to learn how to make money, tech tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and while you're there, make sure you smash that like button as well. Anyway, guys, let's move right on into this video. So what we got today, guys, is a simple application that you can download into your phone. It is called Miner Pro. Now you can see the icon that it looks like that, and you can get this from your app store. Now there's two versions of it: the free version, so you can absolutely run this for free, or you can pay for it, which we did. Is $2.99. But hey, it's $3 and we put it on our phones. But for $3, what we can do is run this in the background. I don't have this one right now, but we can run this in the background on the phone and run other apps in place. So this is just something else that your phone can be doing. So, or any of your phones can be doing. Now, most people, I know somebody's gonna throw it down in the comments. Well, it ain't gonna make that much, and you're absolutely correct. We're not trying to make $1 million with this. This is just something that you can tell here that we have a couple things going on, and we're going to explain this, our setup, in another video. As soon as we get that video done, actually edited, it is done. Once we get it edited out, we will put a link up in the top right up here so that you guys can watch that, and that will probably be released next week. So another reason to hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss what we're doing there, which is awesome. Kind of cool. Anyway, so let's get back to this program. It's very basic. If you've done miners, this is very basic program. It's a stop and start, on mining your setup. Not a whole lot in here to go over. Save your configuration, save as, load, remove, all that good fun stuff. We just got this one set up tonight, so it doesn't have a lot in it. This is just your URL for whatever pool you'd be using, your username, password, and then the algorithm that you want to use. And this is kind of the cool part. This has several different coins here. And to pay for it, you'd want to know to run in the background. I believe they switched over to where you have to pay for the individual. I think we did pay for it, but you can do Litecoin, Dogecoin, Yak, Quirk. There's just a ton of different coins in here, guys, that you can do. Let's see if I can get this on here and just kind of show you. Come on. Doing this with my finger doesn't, or with my mouse doesn't always work as well. But it's gonna kind of scroll through and see all the different coins. There's a ton of them in here. So, and I don't know the difficulty in all these coins, and that does make a difference, and all that on how you'd want to mine. But I thought, hey, it's worth a shot for $3. I blow $3 on, random stuff all the time. So it's got a possibility to make a few little coin, then heck, why not? Especially since it can run in the background. So pretty simple little thing. Yeah. So you just put that in your username, you do that, how many threads. Each phone's different. Obviously, this one has 4. This phone's not doing anything else right now. Medium priority, and we just leave this on default. And then from there, guys, you start mining, and you can see down here, it is just ticking away. Now, it does run into, like I said, this is a Stratum setup, so it runs to this computer and then takes all the miners together to send them off to the pool. That setup, that will all be explained in the next video, but I wanted to show you this cool little program, just kind of get it out there. I wanted to show this to you because I thought it was kind of cool. Simple, easy to use. If you're into Bitcoin mining, your phones are running anyway. Maybe they can make you a little bit extra coin while you're doing it. Like I said, we'll show you what setup we're doing here and why we're doing it the way we're doing it. And then our way we're doing it right now, I should say. But anyway, guys, really not a very long video tonight or today. I just wanted to show you this because I wanted to do this as an intro to the next video. Understand what we're doing and what this program is. So, like I said, it's free, so go check it out. set it up, see if you can do anything, if you can find a pool, and go from there. Um, and that's it, guys. That's really all I had to show today. Was just this very simple program. There's, like I said, not a lot to it. I do appreciate you guys joining me. And from there, guys, remember, the day's what you make it. So let's make it a good one.